India has started a new semiconductor industry, and in the entire semiconductor industry, lithography, which basically means printing the circuit on the wafer, most complex and the most precision work which is required to be done. ASML here in Netherlands is world's leading provider of lithographic tools. Our fab in Dholera will be using the ASML equipment. This is going to be a major thing for India because many of the equipment manufacturers from all over the world are now looking at a base in India because of the design capabilities, because of the talent, and because of the consistent policies of our Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji.
First of all, I'll begin by asking you, what is the core objective of your visit to Netherlands, particularly your engagements with ASML and Dutch technology partners?
India has started a new semiconductor industry, and in the entire semiconductor industry, lithography, which basically means printing the circuit on the wafer, is the most complex and the most precision work which is required to be done. ASML here in Netherlands is world's leading provider of lithographic tools, and they are the ones who enable practically every chip which is manufactured in the world. Our fab in Dholera will be using the ASML equipment, so I've come to visit here and understand the technology, and this is going to be a major thing for India because many of the equipment manufacturers from all over the world are now looking at a base in India because of the design capabilities, because of the talent, and because of the consistent policies of our Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji.
So you have articulated a goal for India to be among the top semiconductor nations globally. What are the critical milestones of this journey, and where does India stand today?
That's a very good question. When we started the semiconductor mission on 1st Jan 2022, we had taken a target that within 5 years we should start the commercial production. Very glad to say that the first commercial production will start in 2026 itself. Actually, 4 of the plants will start their commercial production in 2026. The pilot production have started already in 3 plants in 2025 itself. Now the equipment manufacturers are coming to India. The material manufacturing ecosystem is also getting set up. The talent pipeline is developing very well. So the goals that we had set as a part of the first version of the Semicon mission are very much on track, and some of them are actually are advanced compared to the targets. We had kept a target of 85,000 talent development over 10 years, and within 4 years we have been able to develop 65,000. So that kind of progress is there. The world is taking a note, and there is a tremendous support from across the industry.
Sir, at Davos you countered the idea of India being a second-tier AI power and cited rankings placing India among the top countries. How do you define India's real strengths in AI, given the fact that India will be hosting the AI summit in February?
India's strength in AI is very consistent across the 5 layers of the AI stack. Application layer, we will become the leaders. Models are today, our sovereign models are getting developed, which are very good and which have the capability of solving 95% of the problems that we have. And the chip layer, as you have seen in the semiconductor mission, is developing very well. Infra layer, close to $70 billion and growing every day. Just got the update yesterday that the investment is now close to $90 billion. The committed investment, which might grow up to $150 billion as we approach the AI Impact Summit, and the final energy layer. All the 5 layers we are working very consistently.
So just last question, you had certain engagements at Davos during the World Economic Forum. You have met many tech CEOs, IBM, Meta and all. What concrete partnerships or commitment have emerged that could boost India's AI and chip ecosystem?
Very significant meetings. The Semiconductor Roundtable, where practically all the big leaders of semiconductor world were present. They showed the confidence in India's journey so far, and they would like to contribute to our journey in every which way. The AI leaders were very excited at the R&D, which is the research which is happening in our country, and the models which are getting developed. And the diversity of our country is again a major factor by which India's AI capabilities will grow to a different level.